Have you heard about ApeSwap's newest feature, Treasury Bills, but you don't know how to buy them? Hi, I'm Tim, and today I will teach you how to buy them. If you want to learn more about Treasury Bills, you can check this video, link in description. So, to buy a bill, you first need to get the LP tokens you want to trade for a Treasury bill. If you don't know how to get LP tokens, you can watch this video, link in description. Once you have the LP tokens, go to Raise Treasury Bills. There, select Buy. Next to the bill you want to buy, click Enable. Confirm the action in your wallet. Write the amount of LP tokens you want to commit, and buy the bill. Congratulations, you now own a Treasury bill. The applicable NFT will show up in your wallet, and output tokens will begin vesting over the amount of time shown on the bill. Once you own a Treasury bill, you'll see Claim and View buttons on the Treasury Bills page. You can claim any vested tokens from an individual bill using the Claim button, or you can use the Claim All button at the top right to claim all vested tokens across multiple bills. So, Treasury bills are dynamically priced directly proportional to demand, and inversely proportional to time. Accordingly, Treasury bill pricing is determined by these primary factors: the price of the input LP tokens that are used to purchase the bill, the price of the output token, for example banana price, the time since the last bill was purchased, demand for a specific bill. These factors combine to establish a discount on the output token, relative to the current market price on that output token. Discount amounts are constantly changing. In the case that the price of the output token increases, and the price of the input LPs decreases or stays the same, the discount of the Treasury bill will increase, as you can now purchase the output at a larger discount, because the output token is worth more, and the input LP is worth the same or less. The two price points are diverging away from each other, increasing the discount. In the case that the price of the output token decreases and the price of the input LPs increases or stays the same, the discount of the Treasury bill will decrease, as you can now purchase the output token at a lower discount, as the output token is worth less and the input LPs are worth the same or more. The two price points are converging towards each other, decreasing the discount. In the rare case that a Treasury bill's discount amount goes negative, purchasing that bill will result in paying a higher price for the output token than its current market price. By buying Treasury bills, you receive NFT certifications as rewards. These are the different types available, and as you can see, depend on how much the bill costs. If users buy more than $50 of Treasury bills, they get an NFT generated randomly, but if they buy less than $50, users will get black and white Obi-Dobo NFT. Some of the frequently asked questions are these, which can maybe clear your doubts. If you have any other doubt, please ask it in ApeSwap's Telegram or Discord, links in description. ApeSwap team will clear all your doubts. Don't forget to like, comment, share on social media, and subscribe if you learned something, so that you don't miss the next videos.